All right, get the Weber cube right there. Yeah, how about that? Lightsaber. Oh, look, I turned it off. All right. So, gonna get this going right because this didn't want to get going. So, that's why we got the Weber going. And I know you've seen this before, me cooking these beef ribs like this. You know what I mean? On the Weber kettle recently, and I believe it was recently, but hey, when this don't want to work, gotta go with charcoal, right? Gotta get the job done. So I'm gonna wait, get this going, and then I'll get the cook started. All right, here they are. Gonna let it ride, probably 250 to 275. I got me a mesquite wood chunk right there. You see it right there? So we're gonna let it ride, and I'll bring it back in 2 hours. The whole plan for this cook was to feature it on this pellet grill right here, but didn't want to work. Gave me trouble in the very beginning. Kept giving me trouble, so I said, the hell, I'm gonna get the old Weber kettle right here, trusted Weber kettle, and that's why we're doing another beef hook ribs on here. So I'm gonna try to keep this short, hopefully less than 8 minutes. Since you've already seen this before in a kettle, I wanted to do it on this pellet grill because I haven't yet to do beef ribs on here. That was the whole plan. Perfect rack, was able to fit on there. It really did, but can't. So, but like I said, I'm gonna try to keep it short. So we're cooking. Let's check it out. It's been 2 hours. Look at that. Looking good. Looking good. Do a close up. That's what we got right here, B&B. Look at that, man. That's perfect. 2 hours is what it looks like. And the only fire charcoal basket. Yeah. So far, so good. All right. So I'm gonna close it up and then let's continue on. How about that? All right. Oh yeah, they're looking great. So it looks like so far 3 hours. But man, think they're done? You think they're done? Let's see. Let's just get a temp reading. Close. Done. Oh, that feels good. Oh yeah, look at that. This is what you want to know. If you're wondering what it is by the tip. Yeah. All right, feels good. I'm gonna let them go just a little bit more because some of these, obviously not, they're tough, but I like to feel nice going in. So I'm gonna let it ride for a bit. Just a couple of more minutes, maybe 10 more minutes, 10, 15, we'll see. But yeah, looking good. Well, all right. So, what this pellet smoker couldn't do, the Weber Kettle did. Man, it looks great. Oh, it smells fantastic. Oh man, it really looks beautiful. We can see that little smoke ring, the meat, the fat's been rendered down. Oh man, nice color to it, the mahogany color to it. It looks fantastic. But let's bite it and see what it tastes like. Oh yeah. Oh man, did not spritz at all. Took 3 hours and 20 minutes to cook. Temp was at 275. For a bit with a 300, I was cool with it, but around 275. Membrane was removed. Oh man. This is delicious. Well, disappointed didn't work out this, but you can always rely on a Weber, right? All right, well, this is it. I'm gonna go inside and eat. As always, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Till the next cook. We'll see you.